Let me show you the easiest way to create a professional dropshipping store on Shopify in 2026. So you will get a beautifully designed store with product pages like this, with actual product reviews, benefit-oriented product descriptions, apps to increase trust, average order value, and offer a better user experience for your users. So let's dive in. Go to createmystore.ai and start creating your store. In the first step, you will choose a niche. I already know that I want to sell some toys. I will choose some images to appear on my homepage. I can change them later. Add your email address to receive the link for your store once the store is ready. And create your Shopify account if you don't have one. You get 3 days free. Then the first 3 months are only $1, so you can start selling and you only pay $1 for the next 3 months. So don't worry about the cost now. In the next step, you have to add your credit card details to be able to create your Shopify account. You won't be charged today. I just added my credit card details. So right now I don't pay anything, and for the next 3 months I have a subscription that is only €1 per month or $1. It depends on what country you're in. I will start with the basic plan, add my phone number and save the address. I will skip the customized setup because I don't need it. Right now I can go back to the onboarding wizard and see what's the next step. Right now I have to remove the store password because I want to be able to see my store once it's ready. Go to the next step and then install Vitals. Again, you have a 7-day free trial, so you don't pay anything today. And then just $1 for the first month. You can cancel anytime. You will keep the store, but I bet you will keep Vitals to increase your conversions. Just one more step to finish installation. Right now I'm gonna approve my plan. We can see here that we already have the offer applied, so we only pay $1, but not today because right now we have the 7-day free trial. Let's move on. Okay, this is the step where I will add my products. I have some products that are been selling on AliExpress. I will add them one by one. Copy the link from here. Paste the link here. Just one more. Right now, Vitals started to create my store. We can see here that it takes around 4 minutes to generate the store. Meanwhile, you can browse around and see what Vitals offers. A lot of widgets you can add on your store after it's ready. Of course, some of them come pre-installed. Theme section, so you can definitely improve your design and make it yours. You have video carousels if you have videos, or shop the look sections for fashion. An AI marketing studio with a lot of cool AI tools like photo generation. You can place your products on different backgrounds. You can create videos for TikTok with the AI video gen and other AI tools to write social media posts and so on. So it's packed with everything you need to start and manage your store. Yay! Our store is ready now. We can see we imported the products, added the reviews, and Vitals activated some apps for us. Let's see how it looks. So great, this is the banner. I also have a logo, perfect for a kid's shop. I have the products here. And yeah, this is the homepage. Let's see how the product page looks. We have the product media, selling fast batch, the reviews from AliExpress, the benefits, product tagline, 3 benefits, very easy to scan and read. Oh, and actually we already have a lead capture pop-up. This is really great. We have an easy to read product description, as I said, benefit oriented. We have shipping and returns tabs. This is a best practice because people look for this information. Product bundle, so we can increase the average order value. Value icons and some beautifully designed sections. The product reviews with images were also imported from AliExpress. and the frequently asked questions, which come populated with product information. And the navigation, we can see here we already have some refund and shipping information pages, which is a best practice. Only have to edit the information to be accurate for our business. So I hope you're convinced this is the best way to create a dropshipping store in 2026, especially if you're dropshipping products that can be found on AliExpress, because as you can see, it automatically writes product description, rewrites the product title, imports reviews, so it's a breeze.